This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 321BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, microwave, auxiliary battery, skylight, water heater, refrigerator, stove top burner, smoke detector, awning, Colorado Detector, oven, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front dinette, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 321BH is 7,738 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.